Guys, how you guys doing? Let's go have another nice day, hopefully. This is the 4 hour. It's kind of giving an analysis of where the pivot points are. So currently we are still above the pivot point neutral here. So we're still trading on the bullish side. The objective was to go back to retest that one, but they did not succeed. So what I'm expecting for now is retest this pivot. If we can hold it, then we'll retest this pivot. If we can't hold it, then we're going to test this pivot. Okay, so there, this is the quick analysis for the 4 hour. Let's switch now to see what's going on the closest time frames. And this is the 5 minute, and as you can see, we've been staying in this area here. Usually this area right here is considered an area of support here. You can see we just bounced off of it with this big candle here. If this candle closes green, then we go long above the top of the candle. Okay, anything above that we go long. So technically we should go long now because that should give us a nice area. Boom, let's see. 1 minute left. Alright, now switch back to where we're going to be taking our trades. So this is the tick chart now. This is where we take our trades. Now we have an idea of where things are. Obviously we've been coming down to retest the area here. As you can see, if I zoom out, this is what this looks like. So we can continue going until we get to the pivot point. Target is down here if they decide to do it. So we'll mark it open. Let's see what's going on. As long as if it goes above this, then we have a chance to go to the VWAP most likely. We have to maintain above it. Let's see what happens. Anything above this, and this should give us a chance to go along.
Order filled.
She gives us an opportunity to go along. Hopefully it will not come down.
Stop filled. Order filled.
I wasn't expecting that pullback to be that severe. I'm expecting continue higher. I'll be surprised if it didn't, especially on this pullback now. That's the indecision candle right there. That's no good. Let's see, we got indecision higher. Come on, don't come down. We have to move our stop right below that because that's our indecision candle. If we can continue higher, we're gonna get stopped out.
Stop filled.
Okay, we are down already. So let's just organize our thoughts here, see what happens next. Short here.
Order filled.
Hopefully we'll make it to the pivot point. Yep. I don't know why this thing is not moving. I cannot move the fucking thing. I'm gonna get stopped out. But it's
Stop filled.
Yeah, I wasn't able to move the thing lower. It's all good. We're gonna get a chance here. This is the first time at the 8. So we should be able to come down.
Order filled.
You can see this is the reason why it's really hard to trade on mobile, because of those situations with the price. The phone just freezes, like it makes no sense. The screen just goes fully black. Like, see it like this on Euro day. So this is the second attempt trying to go higher. Stop losses for most bulls will be right above this right here, this green candle right there, to retest this area here, which is going to be above the 33. Where are we now? Okay. Okay, so the first 5-minute candle is about to close now. Now we know what the blow is. We know what the high is, so we go above the high or below the low. So we just wait and see what's going to happen. Also, this is the first attempt. Anything below this right here, this candle right there, and we're going to continue short if I'm not wrong. This candle. It needs to be below this candle. Let's put that right there. It needs to push higher from here. There you go. Should be able to push higher. Nice. Nice. A lot of times, even though you want to be right, this is the area that we should be trying to look for short again. So anything below this area here. We gotta wait for it to close. Boom. Now we go for a retest, and we get below this area right there.
Stop filled.
We go all the way down now. We should be able to go all the way down, hopefully, to retest the point of control. Are we going to, or are we going to go back up still? Hopefully we continue lower. I mean, as long as we don't go above that one there, we should continue lower. I might get stopped out before that. Come on, just one more. I mean, the volume is in, you can see, but this is usually the area of buying. Let's see if now we have to go below that green candle to continue lower. But it looks like we're gonna get
Stop.
That's fine. Wow. Wow. Seriously. Nice move down. We have to wait and see where they're going to close. Okay. See that, guys? That's so funny. Okay. And now we know there's a pivot point here in this area, so the target is not much lower than this. Yeah, it's right there. Okay, objective now is that we don't go back on the inside. If we close inside here, then there's a chance that we could reverse this. See where this candle closes. Yeah, let's go long.
Order filled.
Are we gonna make it up? If this kind of closes on the inside, there's a chance we could go retest. Oh, what happened? See this big move, guys? That's yeah.
Stop fill.
So we wait for a pullback down because they're gonna try to push the price down one more time. Now they'll have a 5-minute candle that's now gonna be closing now. Where are you now? Oh shit, seriously? This sucks. Okay. Again, we're at 33. This area right here is the resistance area. From here, we could go all the way back to the VWAP. If not, back to the pivot point, if they're able to not push the price down. It's very simple. So now they're going to put on a red candle. We go above that red candle. So, all right. So anything above this candle right here, we go long. The 33 usually doesn't work once we go above. So you can see they're working really hard to push the price down higher. But once we hit the major target, after that, the stop loss, the reverse is to go above the first red candle. Well, let's see if we get lucky on this today. We get into some sort of the volume is going lower. Let's see, it's picking up here. Let's see if this means we could go higher. Also, we need to continue. We can't go back on the inside. I didn't get triggered for some reason. It's fine, I guess, but I was expecting to get triggered already. Now I'm triggered. Now I'm hoping we continue higher and don't come down from here. No.
Stop fill.
I mean, I only have 5 points of movement, so there's not much room to be wrong. Usually if you go below the 8, that's a good opportunity to go long. If you're trying to go long, you're trying to go short, you want to go above the 35, the 33, or above the 50. If you're trying to go long, short. So right now I'm just looking for another chance to continue long. We need to close above this. Well, if you see, we did not close yet. We need to close above this. So far we went above it, but we came back down, so we need a confirmation for that. Also, there's odds chances that we're going to come down, retest this area here, retest probably the pivot point one more time. And then this is the chance for the bears to really push the price down. If they fail to do that,
Order filled.
A retest of the high, that's what I'm looking for here. A retest of this area here. We can see the volume is coming down, which is not good. But we just have to be a little bit patient to see if we're going to do a new high or not. If not, then it's all good. Just a little bit patient here. Let the price ride up. The target is to make it to. The target is, if we could do that, then there's the VWAP. Sorry about all that mumbling.
Stop filled.
Okay. Well, we have a 5-minute candle that's about to close now. That should give us a direction after that. But because basically, if this is the low of the candle right here, the 5-minute candle, if this next candle that's going to build, whatever is going to be the opening price, opening of it, and we can see we're fighting over here, fighting. We're just waiting for it. Look at that. To see. Okay, open candle. We opened right above it too. It's very strong. We should continue higher.
Order filled.
Yeah. No, I'm trying to put it higher. There you go. See if we have a chance to go higher. Yeah. There's a 5-minute candle, so this should give us a nice chance to continue much higher. Let's see if we have it. And if we switch to the 5-minute, you can see what I'm talking about. As long as we could go continue to like at least much higher, just a little bit higher. As long as we don't come back below the opening price, we should be fine. But we'll see. Because now we have this right here, rejection. There's a here. This is a stop loss now. So we have to cope with it and see what we're gonna get. If we get stopped out, that's fine. It's not about that. It's about catching the play, right? And the next candle, when it closes, as long as it doesn't close back below it, we should be fine. But there's a lot of resistance. This is the first time we actually go to this area of resistance. But this is the second time we've been here. So we went down. So you can see we came from here down here. We pulled back, retested, and then we came down below it, and then we're back above it. And hopefully we're gonna keep pushing higher. That's my hope. Let's switch back to the thing so we can kind of have an idea if there's any traps here. Usually the objective from here, it is the fib. We go above this one, we should not come back below it. So fuck, are you serious? Fucking I hate when this happens, dude. We cannot come back below it, so I'm waiting to see what happens. Did we go above there? I can't really tell. We have to go above that. Suppose no. Alright, so I got stepped out over here. You can see the 5 minutes about to close now. We went all the way there. Look at the 5-minute candle. We have one more minute to see where it's gonna close. All stop losses now are here below this candle. Look at this. That's pretty strong move to the downside. We have 1 minute left, and a nice rejection there. So if you notice, we did not go above the red candle there, which is really bad. Which means now if we go below this one, we should continue lower. There you go. Yep. And this is why we play with automatic stop losses, guys, and take your profits, because you don't know what might happen, you know. Technically, we should have to go here to retest the high. Retest the low, because we're still above the pivot point. So if you see here, yeah, still above the pivot point. This could be a good buy area. Let's find out if it is or not.
Order filled.
We were able to hold earlier, so I wonder if we could hold now. If not, it's going to be very simple. We just get out. We move our price right here. Should not come below. Stop us out. We want to continue higher without retesting the bottom.
Stop filled.
It's fine. It's all good. Okay, so this is the second time now we're in this area here. Two-time rule, so we cannot go back above this area here. Two-try rule should continue much faster now to the downside. Let's see. And if this does continue lower, with strong volume, then the drill is very simple. We wait for the first time the price pulls back to the 33, and we continue to the downside. Okay. So you know the other pivot points in the below, so it's no big deal. So right now we're below it, and two options. We could play the first time price comes back to the 8. We could play the first time price retests the pivot point. We could play first time price retests the 33. Now the question is, are we going to stay inside this area? Because we need to maintain inside. Where are we now? Oh my gosh, guys, look at this shit. I'm only at $200 still. Alright, let's play. So retest the low, that's the objective.
Stop
We
filled.
should
Stop
continue
filled.
lower. I'll be surprised if we went back up. Yep. Come on, just one more. Just one more. Just one more. Come on, just one more. You can leave it here, guys, now. If we get stopped out, we get stopped out. Chance if we get another candle higher, much lower. This should be fine right here. if he comes back.
Stop field.
Okay, much better. Finally, some sort of progress. Usually you could take the one right there, but you wanna. There's not much room. There's no more. You don't. I can't really see like a solid solution to continue lower. Same exact thing. So the 8 now is the 13. If you want to short here, you can. So we'll wait for
Order filled.
we'll see if we have a chance to go short at the 13.
Stop field.
Nope. How much did I get back on that? Okay. If you want to play safe, you go below that. Let's see if we can get a 2-try rule. I usually don't like to get in here because it's easy. You can easily get stopped out. We should be able to retest the bottom one more time. And look at the buying. Yeah, look at that look at that volume candle. Okay, I think I'm gonna call it a day. Still trading inside this, as you can see. I'm gonna try to catch this move to the downside one more time. Thing is that we didn't close inside yet, so you can see we almost did. Now we got some sort of kind of rejection here. Let's see if that
order filled
continues lower. This usually should continue lower because this is the 33. This is the first time we come to the 33. We should continue lower from here. We'll see. As long as if we go below this here, if we go below this area here, then yeah. But if we go above that at the candle right there, the same high of that candle, then it's gonna keep going higher. Yeah, it's gonna continue higher from here. At least we did our best now.
Order filled.
Well, I'm doing that just because this is the area of shorting. And I tell you what, the objective is to go all the way back down to retest the low. And the odds are that we might be able to continue lower, but we have to wait and see. No way. No way. Yeah, oh, because look, yeah. This might be a view out play, actually. Yep.
Stop filled.
Yep. Sucks. This might be a view out play. Where are we now? Damn it, again?
Order filled.
Alright, this is my last attempt at trying to go short. If this does not continue lower, then we're trying to retest that. Look at this thing. If it does not go short from here, then it's not going to continue lower. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a big move down to retest. If you can see here, this is what I think the target is if we're going to keep going lower. Okay, so we went below that. We shouldn't be doing that. So I want to add here so bad, but I told myself I'm not going to add contracts from now on. It's very simple. As long as we don't come back to the top here, we shouldn't get stopped out. As long as we don't come back here, we shouldn't get stopped out. Look at that energy. Oh, dude, it's coming. Oh, it's coming, dude. Take it out. Nope, nope, it's coming. I can't click on it. Son of a bitch. Yeah, it's gonna try and retest the high again. Yeah, this is why I don't add to my positions. Yeah, just because usually, I mean, they shouldn't have done that at all. It's too strong of a move. So I'm surprised it came all the way back.
Stop filled.
Yeah, I shouldn't have done that at all. So it feels like that. What do we have to do now is we have to catch. Because we're back above the pivot point one more time. Yeah, we now have to catch and move to the upside. So a retest of this bottom here. We retest this and we take this move to the upside. Now, this is the problem right there. It cannot go below that. So what is the safe play? Good fucking question, dude. Alright, let me go grab my laundry. I'll be right back, guys.
Order filled.
Hey, we just got rejected there. Wow. Did I really just get rejected over there? Okay. Alright, so we are playing this 5-minute candle right here. This is the first time we pull back to the 8 on the 5-minute. That sucks balls. 1, 2. We have to go above this high in order to continue higher. If not, it's over.
Stop filled. Order filled.
Low here. What is your objective? I think the objective is going to be the VWAP. And I'm going to let it run on a 5-minute. And I'll tell you why I'm going to let it run in a few. I should probably take some profits. I think I'm at the bottom of the 5-minute candle. Yeah. Yes, I am. We almost made it there. Come on. One more minute. We have an indecision candle. That's not good either. Yeah, we can't have 5-minute either. Come on, one more minute. Finish stronger to the upside. Finish strong to the upside. Come on. Come on, 1 minute, 30 seconds left. Yes. Don't come back down. So yeah, that's bad. Come on, go above, go strong, go strong, go strong. Come on, make a high, make a high. So the goal is to, if you could find that 5-minute bottom, odds are that you could get a solid, that you could get a solid 2 5-minute candles on your side. But we have to catch that bottom, you know. If we don't go above that red candle, like it's not gonna continue higher. There's a lot of resistance, lots of resistance. Yeah, it would be sick if it did go there, but we're probably not going to. Let's see. Oh, and let's see what it looks like here. But we're going to retest the bottom one more time.
Stop filled.
The 8 one more time. So what is that we don't want to see? We don't want to see going below the pivot point one more time. Like, we don't want to go there below again. Okay, that's not good.
Order filled.
Hopefully this will be a trap here, beginning of a trap play. Let's hope, guys, we can make it higher. As long as we stay above the pivot point, there's a chance that we could go much higher. We have to make a new high, because if not, well, I need this guy to go higher. Come on, you can do it. As you can see, I haven't been taking my profits. A lot of these times I already had good wins. Like I've been up $1,000 multiple times. But the reason is I haven't taken it is because I'm trying to let my runners run and just kept my losses when I'm wrong. So this here should continue higher now with no sweats. And we're going to see what happens. Like what I have for is literally the main target is to go retest the high. Is to go retest of the high. This is what I have the main target is. Because there's a pivot point somewhere in there. But there, see that? That's what I have a target. Okay, that's 46 minutes now of trading. I'm gonna let this one run at least to the view up and see if we're gonna give it a nice view up rejection. Because now we're above this one here, should give us nice. Let me look for the 5 minutes, see if we could put this in a place that will not hurt anyone. Let's see. Okay, so this candle is just open, so this thing has so much room to. Yeah, you can continue lower if you want. No, fuck that. If it comes back even here, I mean, that's already too much. So that's the bottom of the candle right there. My expectation is that we're going to close much higher. And as long as we don't come back below the opening price, I'm okay. So anything below the opening price and I'm not having it. I even go play safe and say I'm gonna put it right here. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my land drop. I'll be right back, okay? We're back again, and this time we move up. We haven't been stopped out here, so this is our stop loss here. I was trying to move it lower, trying to see if I find a reason to get out of this position here. I mean, this is the first time pulling back to the 33. So this could be a nice entry long here to retest the high. Anything above this one here should get us a nice target to the upside again. Yeah, fuck it, we're taking it. Oh,
Order rejected.
rejected. Yeah, that's fine. Now, if we make it back to the high, then today's been a tough one because it's really been very indecisive. Price cannot come back below this area here. We talked about this yesterday, I don't know if you remember, but once we get to the 33, the objective is to make a new high. And after you make that, if we don't continue higher, then we cannot go back on the inside, because then there's chances that we're going to have a nice big pullback. By the way, if you had got in over there, added to our play right here, could have made some money. Okay, let's see where we are. This usually means that we have a really strong move higher. Like once we come to the 33, usually means we have a really strong move higher from here, because it's our first time coming there, and we should put on a red candle, and our stop is below that red candle. See the rejection there? It's not good. Yeah, I'm moving my stop right here.
Stop filled.
Okay, I think we're gonna call it a day. Yep, let's call it a day. And we'll come back tomorrow, guys. The objective still is to get to the view up. You can see we have plenty of room. But there's a nice projection here. We're supposed to close at least inside. But okay, well, let's call it a day, and we'll come back tomorrow. Oh, it was a tough day today. It was tough because, you know, it's the price constantly moving up and down, up and down. It's hard to decide when this thing's gonna go. Gentlemen, ladies, we are done for the day. Let's see what the trades look like today. As you can see, a lot of little losses. And I'm always okay with that. Cut your losses short, okay, and let the long ones go, let the good ones go. As you can see here, the dark blues means losses, light blues means green. And we had a nice chance here to go long, and the reason why I got in this one here is just because we were back at the view up and it looked like we were going to trap. We had a retest of this area right here. You see this area right here, this is a retest. We bounced last time we retested, and we bounced again, so that was just a probability thing. But as you can see, the wins are bigger than losses. The losses are constantly the same, so I think it's like 3 to 5 points unless I move my stop. 6 points if I'm not wrong, and less if I move my stop loss. And then you can see the way we started. I thought we were gonna run higher, and we reversed and we came back down really strong. I should have had a short right there, right there. Should have a short right there. Because then it will be really strong to the downside. And you can see here, this play out very good. We're just unlucky, that's all, because the price came to the 33 area. We was supposed to short, but the thing is, my stop loss are not big enough. So if let's say I got in short here, I can't have my stop right here, because that's about 13. That's more than 13 points of losses in that. I can't do that, even though it'll be safe. And then here, entry long. I thought we were gonna continue higher. We failed. I thought we were gonna go short. I thought we were gonna go higher again, and then we did, but it wasn't the right time. Then I got in here. We took a long, rode that thing up higher. And it reversed. You can see a strong reverse. Did not expect that, but we took for another retest of the low. And now where are we now? So this one is very simple. Once we go to the 33 and we put on a new high, we can't come back on the inside. Then if we go and close below it, that means odds are we're going to continue much lower to retest the bottom. But there's empty legs, so we need to see what the price is going to do when you came to this area right here, because I think that's the purpose right now. Okay, we're done. Talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.